Hey guys, this is Ashish from Guiding Tech, and I think today's video is gonna be helpful for so many people out there. Now, work from home is something that we all encourage these days, but then webcam is an integral part if you're working from home and if you want to take those meetings and if you don't want to be left out. So if your laptop has a webcam, it's good, but then most of you might be working from a desktop where the webcam is not available, and so much so that the webcam prices have gone up drastically and they are even out of stock at so many places. So well, if you have an Android phone that you are not using while you are when you are taking a video call, you can use that as an external webcam. It's very easy, very simple, and this video I'm going to show you how you can do that. So well, what are we waiting for? My name is Ashish, you are watching Guiding Tech. Let's get started. So to actually make things work, we'll be using an app called DroidCam. Now, while there are plenty of other IP cams available on Play Store, this one was one of the most stable apps in our tests. So the first things first, you should go ahead and install DroidCam APK on your Android phone and the server application on your Windows PC. Now, we'll be providing you with the links in the description of this video. So go ahead and install them first and then come back to the next step. Now, once that's done, make sure both your phone and PC is connected to the same network. Once that's done, launch the DroidCam app on your phone and it will generate a Wi-Fi IP alongside the DroidCam port. Now, launch the DroidCam client on your PC and enter the details as shown on your phone. Once you have done that, simply click on Start and that's it. So that's it. Now you can use your Android phone as an external webcam for your desktop, or even laptops if your laptop has a very crappy webcam. Now, one thing to note here is that you'll have to change the source in an application. Let's say you're using a Skype or Zoom, you'll have to change the source of the video for the Droid webcam. For instance, on Zoom, just go to video settings and select DroidCam from the camera drop-down menu. And well, that's not all. From inside the Android app, you can switch between the front and rear camera as well. Now, one thing to note here is that in the free version, you'll get fixed focus support and the videos will be capped in 480p resolution. However, for just $5, you can unlock the paid version, after which you will also get 720p footages and full control over your camera. So I have bought the premium version, but then if you ask me, you can try with the free version for a few days, and if you really feel that the premium version is necessary, go for it. Now, one thing to note here is that if you're using your phone as a webcam, you'll need to have a stand, a proper stand where you can place your phone. Now, if you have already one of them, it's good. But if you want to buy, I'll be providing you with the links in the description of this video. So you can go ahead and buy a suitable stand so that you can use your phone as a webcam. Now, if you like this video and if this video did really help you out, please do give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do hit that subscribe button as well. So well, that's all in this video and I hope to see you in our next one. Until then, take care and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.